Samsung Galaxy M41, shocking with battery capacity. A battery of this capacity is typical for a tablet rather than a smartphone. Internet sources have unveiled a new piece of information on the mid-range smartphone Galaxy M41, which, according to rumors, will soon be announced by the South Korean company Samsung. Samsung, it seems, is ready for next stage of increasing the battery capacity in its smartphones. In the budget line of Galaxy M, the threshold of 6000 mAh has already been taken. The next bar is 700 mAh, and judging by new data, the promising Galaxy M41 will come close to this mark. This time there was information about the new battery. As indicated on the Chinese 3C certification website, China Compulsory Certificate, the device will receive a powerful battery with the capacity of 6800 mAh. Moreover, Samsung can give this power supply a mark of 7000 mAh. The lithium-ion battery has the code EB-BM415ABY. It is known that its supplier will be the Chinese company. Thanks to this battery, the new smartphone can boast every long battery life. It was previously reported that the Galaxy M41 will be equipped with a 6.67 inches OLED display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels, Full HD Plus format. In the upper left corner of this panel is a small hole for a single front camera. The design provides for the presence of a rear fingerprint scanner and a triple main camera. The novelty is attributed to the presence of one of the proprietary Exynos processor, 6 GB of RAM and a flash drive with a capacity of 128 GB. It is interesting that rumors about the Galaxy M41 periodically appear on the network or disappear. At one time, it was said that the Galaxy M41 was cancelled and instead the Galaxy M51 will come out. But it may well be that Samsung is preparing two new products at once, both the Galaxy M41 and Galaxy M51. The exact price and release date of the smartphone are not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.